Okay, like that, and easy to remove. Easy. Okay, so this is the purpose of your strength. You must know only how to put, how to tie, when to put, what is the doctor's order for how long, okay, and the orders, the validity of the doctor's order, and what type of restraints you have to carry out. Okay? Okay, this is the physics strength. What about the mechanical? This is what we call mechanical. Okay, mechanical or physical, the same. Because you are using mechanical means
Physical.
the things, the device you are going to use. What about the chemical or pharmaceutical?
The dawa, medicine.
The dawa.
Yeah.
The medicine.
Yeah.
The medicine or the dawa or the drug that we are going to use is not to treat the illness. It's only to control. Yeah. It's only to control, not to treat the illness. Okay? So that time only we will use to control the activity of the patient. Like for example, what? Tranquilizers. What else? Tranquilizers or what? Sleeping pills are sedatives. Okay? Those who can let you sleep and calm down, that is what we call pharmaceutical or chemical restraint. Okay? Especially yung mga pasyente na nag-wild na. So, tendency na patutulogin.
There are some types of injections, ma'am, di ba? Na
There are injections.